Let's bring in Suryagni Roy for more details on this. Suryagni, take us through really what Mamata Banerjee's had to say about the BJP sustained protests now over the Bengal job scam.
Well, Akshita, very dynamic issue, dynamic visuals that's coming in over here. What we see is, we are outside the assembly, and we'd ask our camera person, Tapas Berry, to show you live visuals of how BJP MLAs led by Shubhendu Adhikari, who are protesting inside the grounds of the assembly. Now, as camera units are not really allowed inside the grounds, we can't really go in. But from here, we can see visuals of BJP MLAs, and they have posters and banners where they are slamming the West Bengal Chief Minister of this particular scam. And not only with the West Bengal Chief Minister over here, what we also see is that they're taking on the on the Trinamool government and all. What's more interesting is some meters away from here is the Netaji Indoor Stadium. I'll ask my camera person to just zoom in and show you that the blue building that you can see over there. That is the Netaji Indoor Stadium, not even 100 meters from here, where the meeting is happening between Mamata Banerjee and, a section of the West Bengal, the teachers who lost their jobs due to the Supreme Court order. Now, it's as we have been mentioning, the two simultaneous, events are happening at one end where Mamata Banerjee is slamming the BJP and the CPIM. Let's not forget that, what Mamata Banerjee time and again has stated that it was the BJP leader who was a former judge. That was
Abhijit Banerjee. Just stay with me. Let's play out the first reaction that's coming from Mamata Banerjee on this.
আমায় যদি কেউ চ্যালেঞ্জ করে আমি কিন্তু চ্যালেঞ্জটাকে মোকাবিলা করতে জানি। আমি কোর্টকে বলছি না, এটা কোর্টের দোষ নয়, দোষ তো সেই মুখ আর মুখোশদের যারা আপনাদের নিয়ে খেলা করেছে। বাট আমি একটা কথা বলতে চাই, আমি বেঁচে থাকাকালীন যোগ্য প্রার্থীদের কারো চাকরি কেড়ে নিতে দেব না। ইট ইজ মাই কমিটমেন্ট।
Okay, so that's Mamata Banerjee attacking the BJP over the entire job scam, again defending and brazening it out, saying very clearly days after the Supreme Court judgment that all of this is nothing but a conspiracy. The reality is, Suryagni, that for the Mamata government, it's very hard right now to come out and defend their actions in this teacher recruitment scam, considering the Supreme Court's observations last week.
Well, absolutely, and somewhere this is, it's a very sticky situation for the government over here. 26,000, it's not just, it's not a small number, Akshita. 26,000 people losing their job due to a court's order.
Just stay with me. I'd like to get in a reaction from the BJP also right now. Mr. Rahul Sinha is joining us on this broadcast. Rahul Sinha ji, what do you have to say about Mamata Banerjee saying innocent teachers are being targeted by a BJP conspiracy?
देखिए, ये जो 26,000 टीचर का आज जो समस्या है, इसके लिए ममता बनर्जी दायी। उनका रणनीति से ही उनका पार्टी का लोग इतना बड़ा धन इकट्ठा किया जो पार्थ चटर्जी का घर से मरामत हुआ, और ये सब होने का बाद भी ममता बनर्जी ने कुछ व्यवस्था नहीं लिया। उन्होंने मंत्रिमंडल का बैठक बुला के सारे ओएमआर सीट और जितना उन लोगों को परीक्षा संक्रांत कागज था सब नष्ट करने का निर्णय लिया। वो नष्ट नहीं होता तो आज कोर्ट को या किसी को कौन योग्य और कौन अयोग्य ये दोनों में अंतर करना सुविधा होता। तो इसीलिए जो लोग अपना योग्यता से पास किया उन लोगों को भी आज भुगतना पड़ रहा है दुख। इसके लिए ममता बनर्जी का ये जो नीति, ममता बनर्जी का दुर्नीति इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है, और वो आज उसी लोगों को बुला के थोड़ा उनका नजर दूसरा और घुमाने का कोशिश कर रहा है। कारण जिन लोग पैसा देके नौकरी लिया, सर्विस लिया, वो लोग सभी बोलना चालू कर देंगे किसको किसको कितना पैसा देंगे दिया हुआ है, और इसीलिए और भी ममता का पार्टी के लिए विपर्जय हो जाएगा। और इसीलिए उसको दूसरा और घुमाने के लिए, इन लोगों को थोड़ा आश्वस्त करने के लिए, विषय को छुपाने के लिए थोड़ा इन लोगों को प्रतिश्रुति देके ठंडा करने का ये उपाय सोच रहा है। असली चोर ममता बनर्जी है।
लेकिन राहुल सिन्हा जी, ममता बनर्जी जो कह रही है वो ये है कि इनोसेंट टीचर्स जो है पॉलिटिक्स, राजनीति की वजह से they are being targeted. All right, we've lost the connection with Mr. Rahul Sinha, but clearly the BJP is saying that the onus lies on Mamta Banerjee, that the irregularities, the scam here all points in one direction, and that is Suryagni at the Mamta government. The challenge here for Mamta Banerjee is while she's received that setback from the Supreme Court, you've got also sustained political attack on her right now. There's been evidence from previous raids of irregularities. And yet Mamta Banerjee is choosing essentially to, dismiss all of it as a conspiracy.
Well, that's why I said that it's a pretty sticky situation. And see, I'll show you live visuals from here. Shubhendu Adhikari, he's taking out this march right now. Very, very, dynamic visuals. And if you see, if you just look at the posters in their hands, these have the images of various people who have apparently, lost their jobs. So you can understand, and as you were saying, that it's going to be a very difficult situation for the government to how they will counter the situation, because it's not just only one political party who are protesting, but various political parties are taking on the administration over here. And see here, what it seems is that Shubhendu Adhikari might just take out a march from here. He's got all his MLAs and he's wearing these banners and posters where he will be, here he's making a speech over here, and it has to be seen what he said. Okay, so he'll be protesting over here. That's what we see. He'll be protesting over here. He'll not be speaking to the press right now, but so what it seems is that he is, taking out a protest rally from here. And as I mentioned that Netaji Indo Stadium is not really far from here when Mamta Banerjee is, meeting the teachers. And there's a huge deployment of police, and it has to be seen where this rally, goes. It has to be seen. And
Ragni, just stay with me as